Okay, I need to mute here. Okay, hello everyone. Thanks for joining. And today's session is all about the 4 indicators which I've developed for you people can use those indicators and start earning in the market. So I've been giving all this indicator for I was giving all this indicator for testing purpose, and people have tested, and it gave beautiful results. So as if you are a new batch of my traders, right, group, you get access to it for next 3 months. So only this one I'll be giving access to the range of the market where you can go and get access for it. Okay, that I'll be giving it. But apart from that, we have 3 more indicators, but I want to speak mostly on because range of the market is already there. The video is there in YouTube. You can just go there and watch them. It is on, it is called um, workshop workshop on July 10th. That's a video that you need to watch out for how the range of market works. But today we are not going to deal with range of the market, but the first indicator which I'm going to teach you today is OHM study Fibonacci. So this is my prime indicator. So this will help you in making very good money on any day. Okay, so this one you need to have as a first kind of an indicator. Okay, so just opening this, it'll give you all the setup like this. Okay, so all you have to do is you just it has super trend and everything. So people asked me about super trend also. I just gave them because TradingView does not allow more than 3 indicators, right, for the free thing. So you have to remove the super trend indicator. You can, I don't need this range of, I need, if you want range of the market, you can have it, but I'm not going to deal with range of the market here. So I'm just removing the range of the market. I need only the SR zone. So only this is a setting that I have for OHM Fibonacci. Okay, other than that, I don't have anything else. Okay, so when you see this as an indicator, this automatically this indicators creates. I didn't mark any of the indicators, right? So when you see, it should have different levels here. Okay, you see here, it has 3 levels on the top and 3 levels at the bottom. You have one at the zone kind of a marking here. Okay, this is a zone kind of a marking. We have one level and a second level. Okay, so whenever the stocks, let's say any of the stocks closes above the line, this line, I'll take a pen here so that it's be easy for everyone to understand. Okay, so this line is an important line. Okay, if the stock goes up here, it will get a rejection. If it goes up here, it will get a rejection. And then if it goes up here, it will also get a, this is a final confirmation area. So this area, it also get a rejection here. Okay, but when the market crosses this level, okay, and also the trend is also on the upside, you will see the stock heading towards this level first, and it will hit this level. And after hitting this level, it will go and hit this level also. This level also, it will go and hit. So that means that you need to select any stocks which is on the above this line. This line is an important line. Sir, I want to do a BTST. Let's say I want to do a BTST. I want to do a BTST, sir. I want to see whether the market is going up or down, right? So you need to know that, correct? So for that, what I do, let's say, let's take one simple example. Let's say we'll go a relay button here somewhere here. Okay, this is Nifty. This is Nifty, correct? Nifty, it is not telling me a BTST for tomorrow, correct? So if it tells me above this, let's say the next day, it is not giving me a chance for and a closure of this day. Let's say a closure of this day, this candle, if it's above this level, then it will go up. Okay, let me see where it is going. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Okay. 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 See here. This is 520. This is 5 320. 320 above. This candle is above the third line. Okay. So that means that there is a perspective of tomorrow the market will open higher. So we can take a BTST here. So when you take a BTST next day, you see if you have taken a at 17,758, next day opening is 17,807. It's a higher price, correct? So that is the main if you have, if you see, if you're going for a BTST, see what are the scripts are above the third level. You can take that script and go for a long for tomorrow. And let's say if the stock was not around this area, the next day the stock is above this third candle, this area. Let's say on the next day, like 20th, this day, the candle is above this line. Okay, that is clearly tells me that if it's above this line, it will hit this target. This target is my target for trade. So when it crosses this line, we have another target of this. It is for sure. Okay, so let me see where it goes from here. It changed. Okay, the market got changed and now the levels have been changed. So this is where the resistance is. If it crosses above this area, then only we'll see 17,973. Otherwise, we don't see 1793. These are hidden resistance. It will have a resistance line here, and these are hidden support levels. When it comes to this level, it will take a support. Okay, let's see where it goes. See here, the hidden support resistance and is also playing a part in making it going down. Okay, and we have two support lines here and here. So that means that the Nifty will not come down below this level. It gets support from here, and then again at the second support level, it took the support and started to move up. Okay, so it's all automatic. Once this level is crossed, let's say tomorrow, next day, it opened above the third level. So what is the target from here? We have a target of this, correct? It hit the target and it started to come down. Okay, so that's how you need to work. Next day, it automatically change where the next level is. It will work between this line itself. It will not go up or down. If it's not going up or down, it's just a what? It's just a sideways day. See, crossing this level, it'll go for another level. Okay, so that is the beauty of this indicator. It will have all levels automatically created. So all you need to do is, if it crosses above this third line, you take a trade for the trade here. If it crosses below this level, we have this level. Like that, you need to take a trade and start earning money for this. Okay, this is one of a kind of an indicator which will help you in making very good returns. Only this settings is enough for making good money on this indicator. There is none other things. Okay, yeah, I already taught you all the stuff in the class, so don't ask me here in this thing. So what should I do from year to year? What should I do from year to year? It's already been taught to everyone. So just follow this indicator. See, whenever you are going for a short trade, you need to be below this level. When you go into for a long trade, you should be above this level for taking a good trade. You want to see how it worked? Let me show you something. Adani Enterprise. Okay, Adani Enterprise, it was hovering around this area. After crossing this area, this is an important area, it has to cross. After crossing this level, what is the target? My target is 3822. 3832 is the target. So when if you are using this indicator, you would have taken a trade at 36 0.79 is a trade. Okay, so that's how it gives you a beautiful results. Even if you miss somewhere here, you get a target of somewhere here. This is what an important thing. If you are missing something, the indicator will not miss you. Again, see, after crossing this level, it made a resistance here, little bit of resistance here, but after crossing the resistance, we have the target here. Once a script crosses above this level, we have a target of 864. That is for sure. So you don't need to worry about anything. If the stock is falling, this is the maximum low that it can go. If the stock is completely bad, then it will go unidirectionally coming down. Okay, so this is how you need to work with this indicator. There is not much to it, only this is the beauty of this indicator, but this will give you a beautiful results in your day trading, right? This should be the one of the indicator that you should be working with the market. Okay, during the market intraday. This is an intraday specialist indicator. Okay, so let's get into another indicator called breakpoints indicator. Okay, this is another indicator which I developed. So when you see in this indicator, when you open the indicator, this is the default settings. Okay, so there are two different lines. This is one line, this is a trend line, this is also a trend line. Okay, so it is not a moving average. So if you check with moving average, this level will not be working. So this is a completely a different level, and this one is a is it will tell you quick, you know, this one is a I think last meeting I would have told you, follow the trend even if the trend is going against you. Let's say if the trend is changing times, you may see the market will move up from here. So let's say the market was falling but the trend is going upside, so from here you should have taken a call for moving up. Okay, so this green line tells you that. Okay, but I did some more advancement to this one. So what I do is I will not be using the immediate trend change. Okay, so this is a settings that it has in the breakout points. It has 100. It has three settings. One is quick detection, and then is perfect detection, and there is no detection. Okay, you can work with either of the three. Okay, if you want to see where my buying levels are, right, you need to use either of these three. Okay, so see, my chart is now clear. It doesn't have anything. It's very clear chart. It doesn't have anything. I removed the immediate trend too. So we have one trend line, and also we have the the candle, and then you have the levels. Okay, and it will give you where to buy the levels. Okay, when you see this indicator has 3 points, again the same 3 points here, but see, it will give you with minimal stop loss. It's here, minimal stop loss. Here the trend of let's say the candle is broke here. Okay, the candle broke here, but the trend is also moving up, but it's showing some kind of redness. Okay, and then the trend got changed to green, and then see, here green candle is formed, and also trend is also moving up green, and is also showing a trend of green. You should be holding for the target. So unless you see the trend got changed, you can keep on holding for the target. First target hit, second target hit, and final target is also hit. And this one is a ray, which will also keep on changing as per the market change. Okay, let me show you how it works. Let's say I'm taking it to here. Okay, see, it will tell you if its candle breaks this red line, it's a breakout. Okay, so you need to take it for a breakout from this, and then you can take a trade. Okay, and also it will also have the buying selling levels. Those This level will be your important level. It will be telling you buy above, sell below here. This is buy above level and sell below level. So when you see above 828, you should be buying Adani ports. So that's what it's saying. So this is how it worked. Okay, it worked and then it moved. The trend is also moving up. Okay, now the trend is going down. Okay, trend is going down. So after hitting the target, okay, trend is going down, but still it is on the buy above level. You can still go on buying only. Okay, so this is what is all about. It's a simple indicator, but it's very powerful. But you also can do one more stuff. Let's say I want to see so how to take a trade with this. Okay, so what I'll do, I just remove this. Okay, whenever you can treat this as a trend line also, this indicator, you can treat this as a trend line too. Okay, you can treat this as a trend line. Whenever the trend breaks like this, okay, then it should be a buying level. Okay, and also you can also do one more stuff. Okay, whenever you see a curve like this going up and then the curve is forming, right, this curve, okay, you can mark this line as your important level for breakout. I'll just mark it with a different color, like 3 points, so that it's stronger. And then it also gave me a sell level, right? You also have one more level here, so this becomes your zone level. This can light, okay, it becomes your zone level. At the bottom, it had 3 different levels here, so this level is your another zone level. You can mark this as a zone level here, and also one more zone level here. So this level will not be breached, so you can have this as a level. And also if you go back here, you have one more level formed here. Okay, so you can also mark this as your level here, 1. And also you have double level here, this 2 levels, and then one more level at the bottom. So this I'll mark these 3 as the lower support levels. Okay, so after that, what I do, I just mark this as a zone for me. I'm marking this as a zone for me for knowing where the thing is placed, where the market is placed for Adani ports. So what I do, I just mark this for my trade. Okay, now you see it is falling, it is crossing this level, and then it is creating one more level at the top. Okay, so it is crossed, and then it has to break out from this level for making to move up. So this level, it should be a breakout, and then this level will be your breakout. And after that, you see it will be ranging around that same area. Okay, so that's where it was ranging around the same area. The breakout happened here, and then it moved beautifully from there. It is at the zone. From there, it took the charge and then started to move. Okay, you should also think of everything. There may be a rejection here. This area becomes your first rejection area here. So you can also mark this as a rejection. So that's where the first rejection happened. And after crossing this level, it moved up. So you can also mark like this, and you can start giving a trade, going for a trade. Unless this curve changes a bit, okay, that's where you find another resistance will be formed. Okay, so you can use this as a another method of marketing, another method of doing your support resistance. Okay, this is for a layman purpose. Okay, let's say yeah, I remove all the drawings here. Let's say the market was going down till here. Let's say it is going down till here. Okay, so when you mark like this, right, this area, when you mark like this area and then this area, right, what is clearly telling you is the market has already broke the structure and is moving on the IS side. So that's what it's all about. From the high and the low, you mark it, and breaking the structure, it is moving up. Another one, if it goes up, You mark that level at the higher, and then there will be a low will be forming somewhere here. You mark that low, and then if that breaking the structure, you will get another level at the bottom or not. Okay, this is one way of doing, one more way of doing the trade. Okay, so this is how it can be done. There are, I said also there are three different perspectives, right? One is perfect trade, one is quick trade, and then direction. So I want to do a positional. Sir, I don't want to do intraday. I want to do a positional. I want to do a perfect positional trade. So what I'll do is I'll just change to 30 minutes here, 30 minutes, and then I'll change the breakout points to perfect, perfect, 30 minutes, and then I say okay. So what it really tells you is it'll tell you where to buy the script. It already told you it's a buy above 808. It's a buy level. You need to buy. When it gave on 19th of October, it gave me a buy at 808. We have our first target of 809, 819, and second target is 833. And if you see, there is a compulsory buy above 833 target. Here, if when you buy this, when it crosses above this level, we can see a target of 876. So that's where after crossing this level, and it was sustaining somewhere here, but it moved drastically towards the third target. So we may see a third target tomorrow or on Monday. Okay, it's so powerful. The way you are making your trade, that's how it tells you where to take a trade. Okay, let's say Adani Enterprise, where it would have given us me a buy. I'm taking 30 minutes. It asked me to buy on 19th of October. Okay, 19th of October, buy above. It gave me around 3297. Right? It gave me a buy above 3297, and it gave me a compulsory buy around this area. Right? It went up here, but it gave me a compulsory buy above this area. So I'll be holding for my target. First target met, second target met, and also fifth target met, third, fourth, and fifth. Fifth, it was struggling. After fifth is a bigger target. 3612 above, it's a bigger target, like 300 points. It's a 300 points here. So it is moving towards 300 points. So this is how you can make money if you are a positional trader. Okay, how much is your stop loss? It's just 15 points here. Not even 10 points, 15. With just 15 points, you are looking out for a target of how much? 600 points, 700 points. It's massive, right? You cannot get anywhere like this kind of indicator. And also one of my friend is also was putting message on State Bank of India. He told everyone on 19th of October, 17th of October, that Prem sir indicator gave a call at 544 above. The target is 580, 698, and 620 is the target. So he bought it and he's holding for a target of 617. Do you believe that? Yes, he is holding. He is one of our MT student. So he is also holding it for a target of 620. Okay, so all you have to do here is you need to see when the crossing above, the trend is also moving on the upside. So the trend is moving up. Okay, trend is not going down. Trend is moving up and up and up and up and up and up and up. Here some down, here some down. Again, the trend started to move up a directional. It is not moving downwards direction. So that means that we have a target of 620 intact. So it will be going and hitting the target of 598. It will be done. And then fifth target will also be done. Okay. You can watch for any kind of a script. This is how it works. Okay. I'll remove this one also. Okay. So I can show you anything. If you want to show anything, I can show any kind of a script. Amaraja battery, it gave a buy around this area. 498 above, it's a buy. Whether the stop loss hit here, 498 it was a buy, and 495 was a stop loss. 3 rupees was a stop loss. What is the target? Target is 599. Are you getting the target? Okay, leave it. Exide Industries. It gave a buy around this area. It gave sell below. You got the compulsory sell to target. But it also tell me compulsory sell below 151 above. Did it break 154 here? No, it did not break. And then it moved up. Trend is also moving up. Green. It moved up. Hit the target. Compulsory buy above 158.69. Here compulsory buy above 169. Now it's at 169 and 175 now. Is it good? Okay. See Vedanta Limited. Vedanta is one more crazy beggar. Okay. So here it was a fall. Here below compulsory sell below 283. It came down to 273, hitting exactly at 273, and it did not move down. And then it came down and it said buy about 290. I think I gave my students to buy at 291, 292 for a target of 300. Okay. Okay. So here it went up. Yep. Up. Target 2, compulsory target 2, and then compulsory above, compulsory buy about 295. Target 1 is 205, 312, 320. It's already met. It is moving towards 348. Okay. Leave it. I can show you for any kind of scripts. Bajaj Finance, NBCC, Bajaj Finserv. It gave a buy around here. Okay. Before that, there was a buy around this area. Okay. It moved to here and buy around this area. It around the target met. Compulsory buy was above 1746. 1794 hit on the trot. Perfect hit. Yeah, see, exactly hit the same point, then came down. Dalmia Bharat. Again, see, it was a buy around here. Positional. Compulsory buy above this. Target 3 met. Target 4 is also met. Okay, let's see Jindal Steel. Jindal Steel buy above this. Sell below this. Compulsory sell is below this target too. Did it break the compulsory sell target? No. That means that it is not going down. It is going up. So when it goes up here, we have a target of by 3 levels. 4, 5, everything you can meet. Ultratech is one more example. See this. Below 2, it did not move below 2. It went above and hit the target of target 4. Okay. Indalco. Indalco is another one more crazy bugger here. It again came down. It came down to sell 3 target. But you see the ray took the support and moved up crazy. Jindal Steel is another one. Moved up on the target 3. Sale is also one more. Buy it was very small. You see 2 times from here the buy hit the target. It came here, buy, it moved to 5 target and moving to the 6 target. Okay. Sun TV. This is a crazy one. Okay, I'll move it to it's not showing. Okay, I'll move to 45 minutes. No, should be 25 20 minutes. I'll show you. It was way below. Okay, it's 5 minutes. Oh, I'll change it. 30 minutes. I'll move it here. This area. Okay. See, it gave a buy around this area. This is a buy around 518 and above it's a buy. And after that, it's a 521, 529 is a compulsory buy. Okay. And then it moved above 529. It's all history. After that, 555 is on the trot. It will be on 555 for sure. Okay. So it's all the way you work, right? is the key. See, intellectual, selling below this level, compulsory sell below target 2, target 3 met, target 4 met, target 5 met. And also now only it's giving a buy for intellectual. PVR, okay. PVR is it's something. So if you are not getting the lines here, you just change the time frame to 20 minutes and then see you should be getting sometimes. Okay. You should get the value here. Okay. You can keep on changing your timings from 30 to 15. So this is all positional as of now, which I've taught is all for positional. If you want to do a positional trade like this, just change the settings to 30 minutes. Okay. And then change the settings to perfect, say okay, and strictly follow the buy above and the sell below levels. Okay, that will really help your trades. Okay, so this is what is all about this indicator. Okay, and if you want to do an intraday, you can go with 5 minutes. You can go with 5 minutes. If you see the thing is on the third, fourth, fifth levels, right? So it also gives you a compulsory buy about this. So you can go for a target of this. But if still I want to know, I missed the trade. If the script is around target 5 and 6, whether it's the right time to buy here, then you can quickly change it to quick detection. The value of this will go on the upper side or on the lower side. So it will really help you in your trades. So it will tell you where to buy. Again, if you miss this trade, it's buy above this level. You can go for a target. It's a compulsory buy above this one. It's just moving your cursor and moving your thing how to do it. Okay. So that's what it's all about. Okay. So these two are the main thing. And one more, right? There is a, you get, let me see. I also say you should follow this line. This line is very, very important. Okay. When you see the stock is hitting this area, it will take a bounce back. Okay. And when it stocks in, when this is on the above side, it will act like a resistance. And if it's at the bottom like this, it will be acting like a support area. And one more caution. Okay. One more caution is if the stock candle is like this, let's say it is move on up like this, and the level is on the top level like this. So that means that there is a possibility of the stock will be going down. Okay. It has attained the maximum height that it can go was 180, but it could not go up to 180. So it is coming down. Okay. So you also should be watching same thing on the bottom side also. It will also do the same. It will go till the bottom like this. So that means that this level is already met. It could not go to this level. And this level will be your support level. Okay. So this level will be your support level and the trend is going to change. So it's on the upside. See to that the candles are always, the line is always on the below side for a long trade. For a long trade, this trend should be always on the lower side like this for a long trade. When the candle is cutting this trend, you should be away from the trade. Okay, same thing, it is cutting here, it's a long trade, go along with the trade. And then cutting, just as you do with your moving average, right? Whenever it's below the moving average, you're going to sell. Same concept here, you can do that. It will give you a beautiful results. Okay, so these are the things that I thought of teaching you today. You can club both the things together. Like I want to use the OHM study as well as the breakout points. You can use both together, but it may be clumsy sometimes. Okay, let me show you. You have this level, right? When I open it like this, it'll be clumsy like this. But you see there are different colors. You see one green color. When the three greens are up above from this, it's a buy. It's already given a buy with my OHM study, but with a breakout, it takes time. It looks for a time where to buy exactly. Okay, that's a difference. Okay, and this indicator, this breakout indicator works on any type of market. I can do with Dow Jones or anything. Like if you want to do a Dow Jones also, It works beautifully. See here, buy above this level, compulsory buy, it is going up. Okay. So it works on any kind of market. If you want to do in crypto, I can show it in crypto, Bitcoin. Crypto, see here, it's below here. Okay, let me go back somewhere here. Okay, see here, it tell me buy above this level. See the point na, 2385 is the buying level, 2355 is the selling level. See the stop loss. Stop loss is the key, guys. You know, trading in market, US market is so crazy. So it just matter of 5 2 to 3 points only. See how beautifully it is giving me a target. Everything on the trot. Okay, I can keep on showing you like this, and people will be crazy in Bitcoin. Okay, and it is a money making machine. In fact, it's a really a money making machine. All you have to do is you need to have the conviction where to buy and where to sell. When you have that conviction, you can take a trade with this indicator and you can make lots and lots of money. Okay, so with that, I'm closing the session today, and the session is open for discussion. Okay, I'll stop the recording and also stop. Okay, 1 second, guys. Let me. Okay. Okay. Okay, sure. Stop sharing. Yes.